Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FilmMaker Pro with good settings. Here we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this list you will search about FilmMaker. Then here we click on First Stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you click on Clear Cache. Then here you will go to Play Store. You search about FilmMaker, you will uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.